Welcome to Mancao Davao de Ara, a town filled with life, beauty, and pride. History and progress come together for this project. Our group explored the history of our hometown, Mancao Davao de Oro, a place known for its natural beauty, wide farmlands, and of course, the famous Mount Dewata, also called Dewalwal. Mancao feels like home, founded in 1967. Mancao continues to grow wild, keeping its tradition alive. Let's take a closer look at what makes this place so special. We chose this topic because we believe that learning about our local history helps us understand who we are as a community. It reminds us how Mancao started, how it developed, and how the people's hard work shaped the town that we live in. Today. In this reflection, we'll share what we discovered through online research and conversations with locals, and the lessons that we, as students and citizens, learned from exploring Mancao's past. Since we couldn't visit libraries or archives, our group decided to start by doing online research. We visited trusted websites like the Davao de Oro Provincial Government site, Philippine Statistics Authority, and online articles that talk about Mancao's development. We also explored community Facebook pages that post historical photos and stories about Mancao. To make sure the information was reliable, we compared details from different sources, especially those ending with online research. Based on what we gathered, Mancao was officially founded on September 8, 1954 through Executive Order Number 65 signed by President Raymond Magsaysay. Before that, Mancao was originally part of the municipality of Compostela. We also learned that the discovery of gold in Mount Dewata during the 1980s became one of the biggest turning points in Mancao's history. It brought people from different parts of the country who hoped to find a better life through mining. The Dewalwal gold rush brought economic growth, but also created challenges such as environmental damage and overcrowding. Still, it showed how determined and hardworking the people of Mancao were in facing change. Through this online research, our group realized that we can still learn a lot about our hometowns past without visiting archives, as long as we use reliable sources and stay curious. Aside from online research, our group also talked to some people in our community, parents, grandparents, and neighbors who shared their memories of Mancao years ago. They said that before, life was simple and peaceful. There were fewer roads, fewer schools, and most people depended on farming and mining for their livelihood. One of the elders shared, Sa una, wale dagang abanti paro tabanganami. That means, before, we didn't have much progress, but we always helped each other. That short statement really touched us because it shows that even without technology or modern tools, the people of Mancao live with unity and Bayanihan.
Realized that history is not only found in books or online articles, it also lives in the experiences and memories of people. Listening to those stories helped us appreciate the values that our community was built upon: hard work, simplicity, and compassion. Exploring Mancao's past made us realize that every place has a story worth remembering. Our hometown is not just a location, it's a community with history, struggles, and achievements. We learned the importance of appreciating our roots, preserving our environment, and continuing the good values passed down by our elders. This project taught us that exploring history doesn't always mean visiting archives. Sometimes it simply starts with curiosity, teamwork, and respect for the stories around us. Through this reflection, we gained not just information, but also a deeper connection to our hometown and its people.